My dear friends, there is this fable which is attributed to 4th century Saint Cyril of Jerusalem, and the fable is about a god plant and a palm tree. A god plant is a whale which climbs up. No? It wounds and climbs up anything which is there standing. So this god plant had climbed and grown tall on this palm tree, and the god plant says, asks the palm tree, "How old are you?" And the palm tree says, "About 100 years old." And then this god plant mocks this tree, saying, palm tree saying, "You are 100 years old and you have not grown more taller. I have been a few days I have grown, and I have grown taller than you. I have grown bigger than you." And for this the palm tree replies, "I know that you have grown taller than me. Every summer there is a god plant which climbs a tree, climbs on my trunk every day, every summer, and every summer it is not it does not live. After some time it dies, just like you. You also will not remain like how it is. You will die very soon." My dear friends, we are also like this. Our faith also is like this. Sometimes we have grown above us. We are self-centered. Today's gospel is a reminder to each and every one of us. It reminds us of how our prayer life should be. It reminds us that it also tells us that how deeply spiritual we are. There's a tendency we can get lost. It also reminds us that a repentant sinner can be saved. A very good message our Lord gives us today. Let us reflect as we are in this Lenten season. Let us reflect on our lives and see, are there times when we have centered ourselves on us? We might be doing a lot of good things, but at the same time we are filled with that pride. Evil one has a lot of ways and tactics to take us away from our focus on God towards ourselves. These two people whom we see today in this gospel, both of them went to pray. Both were good men. Even the Pharisee, he thanks the Lord. But if you go to see his prayer, it stinks with self-centeredness. But if you see the tax collector, he comes in humility. He asks the Lord for mercy, but his prayer is it has a fragrance of asking for mercy. Today Jesus is asking us the same thing. There are times when we also pray. We might be doing a lot of things. We are praying, we are going for mass, we are going for retreats, but at the same time our lives are not very happy. Our prayer should be that which makes us come closer to God. Is the one which we feel close to God, and that God is there with us as we are in this season of Lent, and as we are reflecting on this reading. Let us try to develop this virtue of humility which our Lord has shown us, and let us try to grow in that, and let our prayer be a prayer of humility, like this tax collector who saw his faults and asked mercy from the Lord. As we are here, let us ask for this grace, the grace of humility, and let us move forward in life in the paths our Lord has told us to.